Okay, let's go.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today is a cooking video and we're making spicy pork in fried plantains. Let's go. We're going to need different cuts of pork. First things first, let me grab my gloves real quick. As you can see now, you need them. I did preserve where they wear gloves. But still, just the smell of meat. I just think I've gotten used to wearing gloves, to be honest, at this point, and I don't think I can ever go back. I mean, I'm even that extra. If I want to fry eggs, I'm grabbing gloves because I don't want my hands to smell like onions. Fiesta Mart is definitely the place you want to go to. This is fresh boneless pork stew meat. I got 6 pounds. Pork brisket bone-in stew meat. I think I got like 3 pounds of this. So this has like bone-in. If you want small grush or cartilage, you can add pork spare ribs, Chinese style. So those very tiny pieces of ribs. It has cartilage in it. I got just like 2 pounds of this just to mix it up, and then you have the perfect combo for what we're working with. My cuts of meat are definitely bigger than what I would like to have it in the end. So I'm gonna cook it as is, but when it's getting ready, and then I can chop it off. Okay. I'll let that sit there and drain, and then I'll get my blender and we're gonna get into the spices that I'm making for this. These are the condiments we'll be using for the spicy pork. I'll start off with the fresh and then we'll move on to the dry. You're gonna need some celery sticks. This is 2 sticks I just chopped off into 2. Some thyme. This is fresh thyme. I'll put it on the pot. You need 1 onions. Habanero, I'm using 5. Green onions, that's about a handful. Some parsley, maybe half of a hand. Some ginger, more of garlic. And then for the dried spices, some white pepper, salt, curry powder, black pepper, and seasoning cubes or bouillon, beef bouillon. I'm putting my spices all together in the blender. You guys, the baby is walking. Lana is moving proper. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw that she took her first unassisted steps. That's small, and then fell. This time around, her father left the office to come and check on her during the day. Madam made a decision, wanted to bend down, got up, and walked to him or more. But it was so lovely to see you guys. Hey, I was not prepared for that joy. It was so nice. Oh, I was so proud of her, hitting all her milestones. Mommy saying hitting all her milestones and she's coughing in the back. Did you guys hear that? If not, then this mic is doing a good job. Let me add this white pepper. This white pepper I never measure. I just always eyeball it, to be honest. But it's done. 2 of that. And then some of these dry spices, I'll just add it on the pork itself so that I can like really see the quantity that I'm putting. If I put it here, I'm not too sure of it. Let's get some water. Just a little bit of water. And blend it. Boo!
Yeah.
I beg you, let me cut the meat. Chop the meat now, so it will actually be easier. No, mommy. Okay. The burp. It's on meat for you. Pupu no puput. You guys, this my poor daughter will have the most nicknames in her class because
Sit down, sit. Hold on.
I'm doing too much. I'm extra like that. You guys, I changed my mind about that meat. It would slow me down by the time I wanted to be like half ready and then moving and cutting. So I just decided to cut it into like bite-sized pieces. Because this pork and plantain is it's like suya-ish, for lack of better words. So it's better to cut it now and then cook it. I'm cutting this meat and a thought just came to my mind. The one thing that I have failed woefully in is getting my daughter on a regular schedule. You know how you wake up in the morning at the same time, put her on the potty at the same time. I put my hand never up, so I don't fail. I flung the one. C minor. C minor does not even pass. E. In fact, there's you. You be there with GC, you know, baby. I have a U grade in this one. I swear. So I have to correct that with the next child, because I feel like even though it's not too late, at the same time we tried sleep training and it was just a lot of crying. If you have sleep trained a child, come and take flowers, because that's in it. It's not for the fainting heart. Yeah, but anyways, I really failed in that light, so I'm just pitying her follow back. The next baby, sleep training at 3 months. Start. I'm not even joking. You don't be sleep trained before you want to mama, because I really feel bad for her dad. He wakes up every day at 5:30 in the morning to go to the gym, and he cannot sleep. He cannot get up to 3 hours of sleep because madam's sleep is just ramshackled. It's crazy. It's crazy. That meat on Sunday, oh, wonderful. You want if you ever buy small thing. Let me turn around and plenty.
What kind of hard shit is this game?
Billy, I'll leave half that meat, oh. Nah, so chop meat. Nah, cook it off, Usually I add fats, a lot of, like a portion that has a cut that has fats from the pork, but I guess today I went lean and Mr. Man is not happy about it. He's like, no fats, baby. Try that meat on plenty. Leave her. Like, see the amount that is still there. So I'm going to add just the cartilage and the bones, and I'll leave that small one actually. I know, I never give you pork. Have I ever given Mama pork meat? I don't think so. So this small lean pork that is here, I'll probably leave it and cook her something. Yeah. Make the baby some pork. I mean, pork is fine for babies, right? She's 10 months old. I'm gonna do some more research, but it should be okay. J'ai déjà fait. Is that correct French, baby? Excuse me. J'ai déjà fait un correct French. Ça doit être doigt. And there. That goodness. Let's mix up this goodness. Remember, no water. No water, please. The amount of water that will come out from this pork itself. You go wash hand. Give it a good mix. And then we put it on the fire to simmer. And then for the heat, you can start with just like medium heat so that it gives you a bit of time to secrete more water. And then now you turn up the heat to high. Because I'm worried that if you just start with high, it's gonna get burnt when the juices have not yet secreted. Juices, me and juices again. Apparently I like saying juices. I don't know what's up with that. Pero let's get it on the stove on medium heat. What else? Cover pot. I'm too high now. Pot is looking tender. Now I can strain it. I'll turn it off and strain it. Our thyme has done its work. Now we're going to strain this out. And then we're going to deep fry it. At this place, you can either broil it if you want to go like the healthier route. You don't want any oils. You can broil it in the oven. That's what I usually do, but for today, we're sticking to the A and G style, which is deep frying it. Since I don't have the thermometer to test oil, it takes some more meat test and it will get hotter. Let's let it get a bit hotter. Beware of accidents in the kitchen. Porque pork no have to fight. We fight karate inside pot. Alright. You need this to just be golden brown on high. Just a tad bit of oil. Funny how I went into the pantry to go and get this oil and I almost got the avocado oil, because usually I use avocado oil or extra virgin olive oil to make soups and stews. So another one to fry small sauce for this. I wanted to go and grab it, but I'm like, I don't really use corn oil, do fried dodo, fried pork. I'm gonna take my olive oil waster. I'm gonna add in. I don't think I remember saying that we should leave some more of that goodness, that green spice when I was doing it out. But you have to leave just a tad bit. We're gonna saute it. I'm going to rinse out this many one with a bit of water. Yeah, remember that our thyme that we took out from the pot, it goes back in there. Then I'm going to grab an onion. I'll show you how chefs do it. You can so chop your hand. Let's put that in that pot. Shall we? Ken, Mama, you can't come to the kitchen while I'm frying pork. The oil can splash on you, okay? Okay, Popono. Hi. Even the onion, so if it's sting, I them. My love, let me take off these gloves and carry you. You want some TLC? You want some TLC? Let me rinse my hands. No, don't go to the trash. Don't go to the trash. Oh, you. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Hi, Nanu. Nanu. Let's say hi. Let's say hi. I don't say hi, man. They look at this side. Man, carry come off the oil. Somebody's not used to eat onions until they mend me and they don't have a choice. Ebu, this has about 3 more minutes and it should be good. Do you see that? Some sides are brown, but it's not brown evenly. Let's do a bit of sal and sazon. Take out the thyme and then add in my plantain. And then I'll lower the heat, take out the pork, and then just dump it in there straight up. I'll turn it off. It's gonna take a minute for the other pork to get ready before I add it there and mix everything together. We're gonna pour that back in here. I'm gonna pour some while that marinates. And then once that's ready, we add in the last batch of pork, add in some of that sauce, turn on the heat, mix everything up together. This is done. It's alright. If I don't know cut so, and that's it piece.
Don't chop and then go back to the fire.
Hey, na pork go send me back for Pangu yes. Mix together. Mix. And then I'll come in now with some poirot. Just lower the heat. I got some frozen parsley here. And then some leeks. Turn off that heat because you still want to retain some of that juice.
Okay, let's go.